Welcome to 123FormBuilder. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to automatically send your form submissions and uploaded files straight to Dropbox. We're starting with a file upload form template. It already includes the fields needed for users to submit documents or images. First, we select Setup from the main menu, and then Integrations. Search for Dropbox and click Connect. A window will prompt you to log in and authorize the connection. Once that's done, you're linked. Let's test it. Submit the form with a file, then check your Dropbox folder. Your file should appear immediately, saved and sorted just the way you set it up. And that's it. Your 123FormBuilder file uploads are now syncing with Dropbox. No manual work needed. Like this tutorial? Hit like, subscribe for more form building tips. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below. Happy form building!